What's up everybody, Derek here, and welcome to a crystal clear river. We're out here today to see what we can catch. I've got a little bit of time to go fishing, and I'm going to try to go fishing with that right there. This is a Bobby Garland pink and sparkly whatever green color, but this is a crappie fishing lure on a little bitty 1/32 ounce jig head, and I am going to go down through spots like that and back in there and see if we can't catch some bass and some panfish. So let's get to fishing. Well, this is our little crappie jig we're going to fish with and see if any fish will hit this thing. What in the world? I just dropped it down. Are you serious? I didn't even start fishing yet. This little handle came off and I just popped it back on there and dropped this in the water and a fish hit it. Oh my goodness. Oh, little panfish came up and smacked it. That's awesome. That was cool. I watched him come up and do that. Ow, he got me. Let go of it. There we go. I'm gonna go right on the end of that current over there and see what happens. Something was hitting it. Something got it right there. Ah, little bass smacked it. That is so cool. Let's try that again. I am literally not doing a single thing with this. I am just letting it kind of fall on its own. Just slow rolling it, and those fish are just popping it. Let's try it out here in the middle where they kept nibbling on it. Got one right there. He was holding it. Just holding it. Oh, that's a pretty one. Look at the colors on that guy. Oh. Wow, look at those blues and oranges. Dang. Come on. Oh, getting hits down there. Got him. Little dude. That's funny. Oh yeah. Oh no. No. There you go. Yeah, get it right on the middle of that little still spot. Just let it slow roll. That wind switched all of a sudden. Oh, and got one. Nice. So many fish out there. Goodness. Got him. I watched the bass eat it. That was probably the one that I just missed. Maybe not. I don't know. Cool. This plastic's almost done, but I'm gonna re-rig it again. Oh, yep. Try this little spot right over there. It's deep. See if anything will hit. I know there's got to be some fish over there. Unless I've got one right there. I do. Yeah, there's some panfish in there. Nice. Let's do that again. Oh, I got one on the fall. Wow, look at the size of this redbreast. And the colors on this guy are pretty cool. It's got like more speckle. Wow, that's a cool looking fish. Oh, I had a bass. I let out line to get my line right, and I had a bass. How about that? He was just holding on to it. This has been crazy with this little lure. They've been tearing it up. Goodness. Man, that wind caused a wind knot. Big one. Gosh, something's down there. Yeah, got whatever that was. Bass. Hit it on the fall. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Oh, yep. Got something good right there. Oh, red breast. Just never know on what cast what you're gonna catch. It's just panfish bass, panfish bass. Get it over there against that wall under the current. Just slow roll that thing. When I cast over there and I just kind of let it fall on its own, seems that's when those fish are hitting it. Got one. That's exactly what it is. I let it fall, and I think this hole is so deep that those fish are down there around the bottom and it's falling right in front of them. They just smack it. It's the only thing I can figure. Thanks, buddy. Well, guys, fishing with crappie lures is just a great way of going to the creek or the river and catching a bunch of fish. I mean, we caught a ton of bass and panfish right in here, downstream. I mean, it was just nonstop, and it was just very little effort. Throwing it out, either just right here, letting it sink, and they were just loading up on it. They had it in their mouths, it seemed like, or just doing a real slow retrieve, and that minnow almost just kind of wants to slowly side to side, and they just can't resist it. And the panfish and the bass both were just nailing it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section, or if you guys fish with these little, not panfish assassins, but these are Bobby Garlands. Let me know if you guys fish with crappie lures on the creek or the river. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.